Discovering your taste. The meaning of not one's cup of tea. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a popular English idiom, not one's cup of tea. This phrase is a flavorful part of everyday English, used to express personal preferences in a unique way. So, grab your favorite cup of tea, or coffee, if that's more your style, as we explore this expression together. The idiom, not one's cup of tea, comes from British culture, where tea is a significant part of daily life. Originally, it simply referred to what kind of tea someone preferred. Over time, it evolved to metaphorically represent anything a person might or might not prefer, extending far beyond the realm of beverages. When someone says something is not their cup of tea, they mean that it's not to their liking or that they're not interested in it. This phrase can apply to a wide range of preferences, from food and drinks to activities, music genres, or even people's personalities. Let's look at some examples to see how this idiom fits into everyday conversation. I tried watching that new sci-fi movie, but it's just not my cup of tea. Classical music? Not really my cup of tea. I prefer jazz. Hiking is not my cup of tea. I'd rather spend my weekend reading a book. These sentences show the versatility of the phrase, applicable to various contexts where preferences are expressed. Understanding this idiom also offers a glimpse into English-speaking cultures, where tea plays a historical and social role. It reflects the politeness of expressing one's dislike or disinterest indirectly, a common characteristic in British communication style. And there you have it, a closer look at the expression, not one's cup of tea. We hope this video has added a new phrase to your English vocabulary and that you've enjoyed learning about its origins and uses. Whether it's your cup of tea or not, exploring idioms like this one can enrich your understanding of the English language and its cultural nuances. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.